Emmy, and today we're going to make yummy chocolate pudding. But first, I have two things. I'm going to post 1 to 2 videos a week, and I'm really excited about that. And the second thing is, I'm giving one thing away to one special person who gets it. So, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, like all 3 videos that I have, and then comment your name and your favorite game. It could be board game or it could be video game. So let's go. Get started. So first, you'll need a pot that is safe for the stove. You'll need 3 tablespoons of sugar. You'll need 4 tablespoons of flour. You'll need 2/3 of a cup of powdered milk. You'll need 1/3 of a cup of chocolate chips. No, 1/3 of a cup. And you'll need 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So first, you pour in your milk, your powdered milk. I just have mine in bags. Then I put in my flour. Doesn't matter what order you put it in. Now I put in my sugar. But do not put in your chocolate chips and vanilla yet. So now I'll put this on the stove. 2 cups of water. So now you cook it on, I'll just do 7.5, and you keep stirring. Till it bubbles for at least 1 minute. Mixing because it will get thicker. And when it gets thick, which it is getting right now, it just did that when I was saying it, it'll start forming into the texture that you want. Thanks to my grandma because she gave this recipe for me. Add your chocolate chips and vanilla. Make sure to put it off the heat first. So I have my vanilla. You could see it. So 1 teaspoon vanilla, like I said earlier. If you hear stuff in the background, that's not just my sister programming and listening to music. Now you stir it in. So it's chocolatey. Until it turns brown, you could stop stirring, like the dark brown, like of the color of chocolate. It will be kind of like a creamy dark brown when you're done. So that's good. So, yeah. Got it cool. That's what it turns out like. It's really good. I love it. You should make it. M&M's DIY today. Make sure to watch my videos that I'm going to post soon. Bye.